If you want to build a defined upper body, the best ROI, the best bang for your buck, the best exercise out there, hands down without fail, is weighted pull-ups. I've built a defined back, I've built defined muscles, I've built a defined core from simply just hanging on a bar and pulling myself up. But you must be doing this correctly. You can't be cheating, you can't be doing half reps like a little pussy. You need to be going all the way down and you need to be going all the way up. Master that before you start adding weight. And if you can't do that body weight, drop your fucking ego. Use a band, okay? I've never stood in the mirror and done bicep curls like an idiot trying to get bigger biceps. I've built defined arms, a defined back simply but just by smashing out pull-ups. I don't even have any scientific facts behind it. I just know for a fact that it is the best ROI. The back pump I get is crazy, especially when I do high volume, low reps, but high weight. So I like to do 5 sets of 5 weighted pull-ups, and I will always finish on 1 set body weight for 6 reps after my 5 sets, hands down. If you want to build a good back, you want to build a good upper body, which is actually going to give you lean, usable, defined muscle, pull-ups are the best for it. They are hands down the best for it. You can see in some of the clips how defined my back is in good lighting. Obviously, you combine this with a good diet, food high in protein, high in micronutrients, you're going to build a very good aesthetic physique without even trying. I did this a while ago. I went from a guy who, again, looked like he had never been to the gym before to a guy who actually looked like he knew what he was doing. And what did I do? I did my pull-ups. I put my reps in. I see so many guys in the gym cheating on pull-ups, but if you can get it correctly, you do it properly, the ROI, the investment you put into it is better than any upper body exercise out there. Fact. Don't sleep on pull-ups because they are the best exercise for your upper body. I hope this video changes your mind and you add pull-ups to your routine as long as you are doing them with correct form. If you're a guy struggling to lose body fat, you want to build a body you're proud of, you want to build an aesthetic physique, there is a link in the description below to book a call with me to work one-on-one. If you feel you're ready, book that call. With that being said, I hope you found this video informative. Like and subscribe for more, boys.